Emilio Daes, game bang makipaglaplaban sa kapwa lalaki? Alright, kung di pa po kayo follow and share lang po para sa news update. Salamat! Game na game ang kapamilya actor at dating PBB Celebrity Collab Edition na si Emilio Daes sa mga proyektong may LGBTQIA+ na konsepto at tema. Wala raw issue sa kanya kung ang first lead role niya ay isang BL, Boys Love, series kung saan makakasama niya sina Sin Tristan at River Joseph na sa loob pa rin ngayon ng Big Brother House. Ang naturang BL series ay ang sport romance na Love at First Spike na napapanood sa streaming platform na I Want kung saan gumaganap si Emilio bilang star basketball player na si Uno Santillan. Sa presko ng naturang digital series kamakailan ay natanong si Emilio tungkol sa pagbibida sa isang BL series. For me naman, it's not a problem kasi I'm in actor. And I am open talaga to act in any project as long as it's given to me. Because I'm new to this industry. So, ayun po, chika ng big na PBB Celebrity Housemates. Anya pa, no, there's no hesitation. I'm an actor and I will do my best, of course. Sa tanong kung may kissing scene ba sila ni Sin Tristan sa Love at First Spike, makikita nyo. Sundot na question kay Emilio kung game ba siyang makipag-kissing scene sa kapwa lalaki. Ako po, I'm very new to this industry, so every opportunity po is a blessing for me. I don't know what the future holds. That's management decision, but I am an actor and that's what I will do. Say pa niya. Ano ang mga natutunan niya sa 8th episode ng Love at First Spike? This is a dream come true for me because this is my first lead role ever. And you know, I've always dreamed of being a leading man here at ABS-CBN in the industry. So I'm very proud, happy, and thankful and humbled to be given this opportunity. And you know, I know the amount of dedication and hard work that it takes to lead a series. So that's something that I've learned and dala-dala ko yan sa mga susunod na projects ani Emilio. Bilang baguhan pa lang sa showbiz, matindi ba ang nararamdaman niyang pressure bilang bida na sa isang BL series? So I take a big part of you. No, taking on my project with a lot of preparation. So that was a big part of it. And you know, it's true. Acting workshops, getting my body ready. So I had a very rigorous program before this. And of course, you know, workshops with the whole cast, we did that too. Prepare. Aside from workshops, we did the volleyball trainings. And I guess when it comes to pressure, after PBB, I don't think there's any pressure naman. But I put a lot of pressure in myself to do well, to do my best in everything that I do. So I'm excited for everyone to see the fruits of our labor because everyone worked very, very hard. And I'm just very grateful for this opportunity, paliwanag ni Emilio. At yan ang totoo. Alright. Thank you for watching po. Follow for more video. Salamat.